Welcome students, senior KG singing. Sing a song of sixpence. Take Golden Book of Nursery Rhymes, Part 2, page number 12, song number 19. Sing a song of sixpence, a pocket full of rye, 24 blackbirds baked in a pie. When the pie was opened, the birds began to sing. Wasn't that a dainty dish to set before the king? The king was in his counting house, counting out his money. The queen was in the parlor, eating bread and honey. The maid was in the garden, hanging out the clothes, when down came a blackbird and pecked off her nose. Students, who was counting money? The king was counting money. The queen was in the parlor eating bread and honey. The maid was in the garden. Bird pecked off her nose. Students, कौन पैसा काउंटिंग करता था? राजा पैसा काउंटिंग करता था. रानी पार्लर में ब्रेड हनी खा रही थी. मेड कपड़ा सुखा रही थी. बर्ड मेड का नोज पर टोच मार के चले गया. थैंक यू.